I'm just gonna take a nap now. Close my eyes. Wait for a second. What? I'm up. What? Alright. You guys got this, right? I'm gonna close my eyes for a minute. My eyes are dried out.
Maybe. Go right back into. Oh yeah. Woo. Mark did it.
You guys see that, right? Yeah.
Well, at least you're aware of what you'll sound like when you get old.
Yeah, it's fucking. Any you guys got any hard candy at all? Maybe butterscotch or something. Get my sugar up.
Ha! Rejected!
Don't edit that out.
I wouldn't dream of it. Still looks like a droid. I'm just saying.
Come here, you fuck. Let's measure this out. Let's see what we got here.
Hey, you're a jalapeno.
Here we got a PP.
You're a Mexican jalapeno.
Yes.
Are you a legal puppet boy?
However, very close. If you had a neck, a neck would give him the extra couple of inches that he usually wanted. Knock it off, droid. Then why are we using my measurements?
I don't know.
That, ladies and gentlemen, is called How Not to Use a Saw with Jason Buss.
Yes.
Me.
Here we have the new and improved Mr. Smith. Made out of complete PVC. Comes chock full of goodies. With squeaky joints.
Karate chop action.
Karate chop action.
Hey, it's
No,
like
he
Buzz
doesn't
Lightyear.
have karate chop action.
Not quite, not yet. Awesome boots.
Pretty cool.
His arms kind of, I was gonna say his legs kind of jacked up. He's bow-legged. There we go. Sort of. Oh yeah, you like that, Mr. Smith? You like that?
He's kind of flat.
A little bit.
He's a little,
He's fucking buff.
he's sickly.
Is this? All right. there's what it looks like right there. Perfectly cylindrical.
It's almost as thin as my leg.
Well, then you gotta take, obviously you gotta take his chicken wires. What the hell are you doing?
Why is he disco dancing right now?
Trying to reattach his arm. Put him a fight. Fine, be there.
Can he still bend at the joints?
I mean, it's so simple. It's like my car insurance. I said 15% in 15 minutes.
Well, insurance gonna save you money in half that.
Yeah.
All the way.
Yeah, if I can
Just bend it. There you go. Sweet. Alright, that works. Now bend it back up and watch. Watch what happens.
Perfect.
Disorder that affects up to 70% of people who are totally blind.
I think we're gonna need probably one more zip.
get kneecap.
I'm not gonna build a kneecap. Don't need a kneecap.
Hopefully a zip tie will be a good enough kneecap.
Hi, I'm Rob Lowe.
How you doing?
You guys think so?
He's got definition.
He needs an ass is what he needs.
I don't have an ass. That's about flat, like, about right.
Ladies, what do you think? Does Marcus have an ass?
Marcus is highly aware.
Flaticus Atticus.
It's the new and improved Herbert J. Smith. We made him a new skeleton and body.
He's all fit and shit.
He's been working out.
Look at him. Oh, Herbert, you so fat. You so fat. Oh, you smell good too.
He's a little creakier than he was before.
Just a little bit.
He can stand now,
He's a tad drunk.
and he's 8 foot tall.
Dick, he's 6'5". Yeah.
Hello, everybody. Hi, everybody.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh god.
Oh god. Oh god. Ah, did you fucking slap? Now his arm fell off.
Oh my god.
He is still an old man, so you gotta be gentle.
Yeah. Don't call me old.